Moving on, now that we have our branding in place and our photos updated, we need to talk about the other big part of your site, which is the text or the copy. Editing text inside Showit is very similar to any other word processor you may have used. So whether that's Microsoft Word or Pages or Google Docs, it pretty much works the same way, and we're going to rely on our smart panel to adjust our settings. Starting with this hero canvas, if I go to page, we can see we're in the hero canvas and we have the expertise, which is this subheading here, and then our title. As I click on our title, I can click on text style and change any of these properties I need to, but I also can double click in here, delete, and type over any of the text that's inside the template. I'll show you how that works on mobile as well. If I delete this and say, let's say everything is done beautifully. Oops. A little too crazy with the L's there. Okay, so you can see that it changed on the mobile as well because it's changing our content. The styling is also a little bit different. This is one line height, and then here it's another. Same for the sizing over here. On the mobile, it's 40, and then when we click over to the desktop tab, it's actually 52. So you can play around with the split. This is a recurring theme throughout Showit when we're customizing is you can merge using desktop or mobile, or you can split. So if I want the letter spacing to be a little bit wider, I can split the desktop and mobile and then change them independently of each other. So just keep that in mind when you're editing the text. Sometimes what looks best on desktop is not going to be what's best for mobile. And that especially is the case with text. As we get longer paragraphs or testimonials or quotes or things like that, we want to make sure that they're not getting cut off on mobile. As I say in almost every video so far, make sure you're double checking that mobile version when you're making changes. So you'll go through and edit any text on here. You can copy text by doing Command or Control C and Command or Control V, depending on whether you're a PC or a Mac. You can copy and paste. You also can click on an element, click on the three dots next to it, and duplicate. This gives you another version, and then you're able to type over and put anything you'd like. You also can add brand new text that is set up the way we originally did our design styles. So if we go to the bottom down here in the middle, you can click on title. It's going to give you a title that's already styled. Same thing for heading. A heading that's already styled, you can see it matches this here. So that's a great way to quickly add more text to a page and for it to be styled correctly.